Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable and label wiring harnesses before you begin. This prevents runs and accidental shorts. Park the Rav4 on level ground and chock the rear wheels, then release pressure from the radiator cap after the engine is cool. Use an engine hoist rated 1,000 kg and a floor jack rated 2,000 kg for support. Drain engine oil and 5 liters of coolant into approved containers, and dispose of fluids per local rules. Wear eye protection and gloves throughout the process. Remove the hood and radiator assembly to gain clearance for the engine lift. Set fasteners aside in labeled bags. Support the transmission with a jack and remove 8 transmission bolts that secure the bell housing to the engine block. Disconnect the exhaust manifold and heat shield, then detach all electrical connectors, sensors, and grounds from the engine harness. Label and remove the intake, fuel lines, and power steering lines, capping lines to prevent spills, before unbolting the 3 motor mounts so the engine is free to lift. Attach hoist chains to OEM lift points on the cylinder head and block, and use a spreader bar for a balanced lift to avoid twisting the engine. Before lifting, remove the motor mount bolts and lower the transmission jack slightly to separate the drive line. Double-check that all connectors, hoses, and mounts are clear. Lift the engine slowly while an assistant checks clearance from the firewall, steering rack, and subframe. Once free, set the engine on a pallet or engine stand. The Rav4 engine typically weighs about 170 kg without accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.